What's up, guys? Joe with Odyssey Off-Road. Getting the Raptor ready here for the dunes. Dune season is it's just about here. First trip is going to be to Little Sahara, Oklahoma. And so when you're watching this video, it'll probably be dropped Saturday. And that would leave. So then Tuesday night after this video drops, we are leaving for Little Sahara sand dunes in Oklahoma. Ian from Square One Speed will be traveling with him. It's about a 14.5-hour drive. So, and we're meeting up with a bunch of other guys: Pete Hager, Brewer Off-Road, MN Warrior 350, Dune Man, bunch of guys there. Gonna do some ripping for a few days. And what we're gonna do today is just get it ready for the trip. I've already changed the oil, cleaned the air filter, all that stuff's ready to go. Mechanically sound. I did install for this season. I had the original. This has got about a little over 90 hours on it, the machine. I had the original chain and sprockets still on there. Chain sliders, everything was original except for the chain roller we changed several months back. But everything else was stock. So we just put new OEM sprockets on and a new chain, gold X-ring chain on it. So we're going to, and I also did a TM Design Works chain slider. You can see that one there. So the stock one is more of like a harder plastic, and it was pretty much towards the front where the chain rolls over it, you know, almost eaten through. It was pretty shot, so it was time for a new one. So I just upgraded it to a better one. TM Design Works makes some really nice stuff. So what we're gonna do today is just take it out for a rip in the desert. That's why I still got the knobbies on it. Just get the initial stretch out of the chain. New chain's always gonna get a little bit of initial stretch. This way we make sure, come back, check the slack on the chain, make sure that's right. Give it a good wash down, throw the paddles on it, and she'll be ready to go for our trip. So that's the plan today. So let me suit up, get my boots on, helmet, and we'll take her out for a little rip. Gates, everywhere there's gates. You just got to make sure you close them and you're good. It's a pain in the ass stopping. Get some shade and take a break, have some water. Stop in here for a minute. It's a little hot today, which sucks because it's actually been cooling off quite a bit here in Arizona. It's been in low 90s, which I know some of you are probably like, that's not really cool, but it is here when it's been 105 every day and over 100 for I don't even know how long. Finally started cooling down. It's been in the low 90s for a while. Of course, today I want to take the Raptor out for a little shakedown, and it's 99, so not terrible. There's a slight breeze, but it is a little bit warm, so we're gonna have some water, take a break. The chain seems to be not stretching that much, which I found to be the case with these chains. These are the direct drive. It's the Rocky Mountain in-house brand. I actually compared it to the DID chain, the gold X-ring chain from DID, and that actually had more tensile strength. This one was rated higher in tensile strength than the DID one. So, and the DID one wasn't a stock, so I just got this one with OEM sprockets, and I did the same thing on my, actually my daughter's Raptor 350. We did the direct drive chain and sprockets, the whole package. And mine, I had such good luck with the Raptor 700's OEM sprockets wearing out. The back one barely wore, actually. The front one wore out, but with 90 hours on it, I said, if I'm getting that long out of OEM sprockets, why not go back to OEM? Unless you're making gearing changes, which I'm not. I like the stock gearing. I run 28s in the rear, so, and I run 20s in the rear paddles at the dunes too, so I just like the way it is. I could just pretty much cruise in third most of the time, and minimal shifting. So we're gonna take a little break and we'll resume on our way back. All right, took a little break. I was a little hotter than I thought I was. Felt overheated a little bit, actually. So have some water. I think we're gonna head back. Raptor seems to be good. We'll check the chain tension, give it a bath, slap the paddles on, and she'll be ready to go to Little Sahara. So let's head back.
like here where I ride in the desert. You got these wide open fire roads, and then you can turn off into those tighter, you know, more narrow trails, which is nice because the side-by-sides are never really in those. They kind of stick to these. You don't got to worry about getting, you know, run over. And they're a little more fun also. And they're just all over the place. I mean, there's trails everywhere. This is going to kind of come out and drop us off on a dirt road. It's the same dirt road we take in, but it's way further up, as you can see, closer to the mountains. There's like a mine up there, and that's coming from that mine is actually where the worker was. That I don't know if you guys seen my last video where my Toyota Tundra got totaled, but that's where they work, and the workers sometimes come flying down that dirt road, like they're in a Baja race, you know, with their cars, and it's just not really patrolled, that road, at all. And they just come flying down there and turn the pavement. They don't slow down really for a while, and that was the result. And I almost got killed. So we'll be careful when we're on there. Stay to the side of the road. Turn left here, you go around that bend. That's where the mine is over there, up where it's all white and stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna stay away from them.
All right, guys, she's all set. We got the paddles on her. We're gonna use the ITP Sand Stars on this trip. And we have the other scats that we run too sometimes. They're up there. But for Little Sahara in Oklahoma, you go through some trees and some trails and stuff. These are a little more durable. God forbid there's a root sticking up or something like that for puncture resistance. So I like to run these on places like that. I kind of save the scats for like Glamis and, you know, sand dunes there in California, where it's just pretty much pure sand. Let them torque down. 33 foot-pounds. I go to 35. I like a little bit extra, but still not killing it. And so all we got left is throw a coat of spray wax on the plastics, keep it nice and shiny, and then we'll lube the chain up, and we're good to go. She's ready. So next video will be at from Little Sahara, Oklahoma, and we are leaving Tuesday. It is currently Friday. This video you'll probably be seeing late Friday night or Saturday, and we'll see how much footage we get. Maybe we get 2 videos out of the trip. We're going to be there for 3 days riding, so should be able to get plenty of content. I'm going to bring both GoPros and see if maybe we can mount one on the back. Since we're riding in a big group, there might be some cool footage to check out. So we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Joe with Odyssey Off-Road. Smash that like button on your way out if you liked the video, and subscribe if you haven't. So till next time.